Hi, my name is Christina Loback, and I am an immigration lawyer at Spousal Legal Immigration. Our firm specializes in family-based immigration across the Canada-US border. Today, I'm going to discuss a common question our firm receives. Can you sponsor your partner for Canadian permanent residence if you aren't married? The answer is yes, you can, provided you meet the definition of either common law or conjugal partners. These are actually two separate streams and are therefore handled as two separate programs for purposes of submitting an application. So for purposes of spousal sponsorship, a common law partner is one who you have been living with or have previously lived together for at least 12 consecutive months in a marriage-like relationship. This means that you don't necessarily have to be currently living together to apply under this category. You can apply to sponsor your common law partner from either outside of Canada or inside of Canada. Now, be prepared to show proof that you have lived together for the 1 year period and that you are in fact in this marriage-like relationship. Some of the evidence that IRCC expects to see in the application includes proof of the same address. For example, bills and government documents issued to the same address, lease agreements, proof of joint bills and bank accounts, and other common relationship bona fides. On the other hand, a conjugal partner is a person who is living outside of Canada and who is in a conjugal relationship with the sponsor for at least 1 year. You cannot do the conjugal stream if the person's living inside of Canada. So, what's a conjugal relationship exactly? The term isn't defined in the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations, so we have to turn to case law instead. The Supreme Court of Canada has identified a list of factors that must be considered when trying to identify a conjugal relationship. These factors can include shared shelter, sexual and personal behavior, services, social activities, economic support, children, and societal perception of the two as a couple. These elements may be present in varying degrees, and not all are necessary for the relationship to be found to be conjugal. Ultimately, the key to proving that there is a conjugal relationship is that there is a committed and mutually interdependent relationship between the applicant and the sponsor. Successful submission of a conjugal sponsorship application is really going to hinge on the evidence that you can present to prove these factors. We spend a lot of time discussing the evidence requirements with our clients who choose this pathway. Would you like more information on Canadian common law or conjugal partner sponsorship? Check out our website for some free resources or to schedule a strategy session with one of our lawyers.